3 days ago, I pivoted to LinkedIn carousel posts for my relearning journal. My first approach was naive, a Python script using Pillow to draw text into bounding boxes. The idea was simple. Extract key ideas, format them onto dark slides, export as PDF, upload. The reality was a can of worms, text truncated at unpredictable widths. Font metrics never matched the render. Every layout change needed manual pixel math. And dense article paragraphs pasted onto slides felt like wall of text screenshots, not visual content. That was version 1. The first insight came fast. The problem was not the agent, it was the medium. AI handles HTML and CSS layout composition far better than pixel coordinate drawing. When you ask a model to place text at x equals 120, y equals 340, it is guessing at font metrics and wrapping behavior. When you ask it to write HTML with Flexbox and semantic classes, it expresses layout intent directly. The browser handles the rendering, so I rewrote the pipeline as HTML first, headless Chrome screenshots previews, and the same deck prints to PDF that fixed truncation immediately. But the design was still wrong. The HTML slides did not truncate, yet they looked like article pages pasted onto dark backgrounds. Dense paragraphs, no visual hierarchy, no story arc, no sense these were meant to be swiped on a phone. Instead of manually specifying more design requirements, which was not working, I asked the agent to research LinkedIn carousel best practices on its own. I pointed it at Google search and said, find what makes a good carousel, distill the findings, self-correct the pipeline, and integrate the result. What followed was 11 iterations, each fixing a different failure mode the agent discovered by inspecting its own output. Versions 1 through 3 moved from Python to HTML but still pulled paragraphs directly from the article. Result: dense text-heavy cards nobody would swipe through. Version 4 introduced layout archetypes and a dominant final call to action. Versions 5 through 7 pivoted to portrait 4 to 5 based on research, added emoji badges and visual anchors, and shortened copy to one idea per slide. This was the first version that felt like a carousel instead of a document. Versions 8 through 10 tackled headless Chrome edge cases. A bottom white strip artifact appeared in screenshots. The agent debugged viewport height and added a non-white default background while preserving PDF page dimensions. It also caught a bug where footer links were being treated as article content and turned into a bogus slide. Version 11 was final polish. 8 clean slides, a billboard cover, one idea per body slide, alternating layouts and a single dominant call to action. That was the version I shipped. Looking back, 5 decisions mattered most. 1. Python to HTML. The biggest technical leap. 2. Landscape to portrait 4 to 5. Research showed mobile-first portrait dominates LinkedIn engagement. 3. Article to carousel. Dense paragraphs became one idea per slide editorial cards. 4. Templates to creative freedom. I gave the agent character budgets and aesthetic guidelines, then let it compose within guardrails. 5. The review loop. A dedicated visual review worker inspected PNG screenshots and returned structured findings. The generator fixed based on review output, not vibes. Why did self-correction work? I did not specify every pixel. I did not design each slide. I built the evaluation loop. The system could see its own output through PNG screenshots. It had a target to aim at through research-distilled guidelines. And it had freedom to redesign within constraints. This is the same pattern in any feedback-driven system. Clear evaluation surface, concrete success criteria, and room to explore within bounds. The constraint is the interface, not the implementation. This pattern generalizes beyond slides. The fastest path to quality with an AI agent is usually not tighter specification. It is a clear evaluation surface, concrete guardrails, freedom within those guardrails, and a feedback loop of structured review on actual output. The carousel guidelines, character budgets, HTML first pipeline, portrait defaults, and review gate checklist are now codified in reference docs. Every future run inherits these improvements without relearning them. The agent did not just fix the current output, it improved the system that produces all future output. That is the real return on investment of letting the agent self-correct.